We're back again with another adventure with Hyundai. This time around, we're taking their most affordable crossover, the Venue. And in this video, we wanted to show you how it would fit in the life of a young professional. And as a young professional would, I started my day off doing some errands. Good morning.
Good morning, sunshine.
As you guys may know, we are in the Hyundai Venue today.
That's right.
The Hyundai Venue is positioned as a car for young professionals.
Okay.
And that is what me and Earl are, somewhat.
What the hell am I?
No, experienced, seasoned.
Seasoned?
A veteran of the industry.
Huh? That's like saying when I fart, cobwebs come out.
I didn't say that. I'm saying compliments, guy, that you're more experienced than both of me and Earl combined.
I'll take it.
I wanted to sort of simulate what a young professional's day off would be. But now I've done all that I needed to do, and it's time for a little R&R, a little sweet treat, a little me time with the boys. Us time or something, whatever. But a day off would be like, of a young professional, a typical young professional in this day and age.
And that's why you wanted me to book that thing.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to book that thing. And you guys will find out in a bit. Just a little bit of a spoiler. We get stretched out.
Jack, no.
No? But before that, we'll have some brunch first.
Brunch?
Yes.
Does anybody even know what the hell brunch is?
Brunch is a combo of breakfast and lunch.
Why not just have breakfast and then lunch later? Why split the meal, or rather combine the meal into one?
We have no time as young professionals.
Ah, there you go.
Because you're always on the go.
More than just for young professionals, I'm sure first-time drivers will also appreciate the fact that the Venue has a backup camera. So, adding to the fact that it's a very compact car, it should be very easy to park. And another great thing in darker places like a parking lot or at night, this thing has turning lights. Ooh, look at that. Let's go have some brunch.
In the tray. Thank you. Your oat milk, young professional.
Thank you very much.
So, while you young professionals are sitting around for brunch, drinking your matcha lattes, which I will say is...
You do like
I
matcha.
do like matcha latte. I appreciate it. What is it that you guys talk about?
Honestly, I don't know. It can be anything. You can even hang out with your friends and everyone's just on their phones. Anyway, I wanted to ask you what your life was like when you were a young professional.
Oh, you don't want to know that. I worked on radio for a while.
Well, I knew that. I'm sure a lot of our viewers didn't know that.
Yeah, I did work on radio for a while for a frequency that's still around, but the station itself is now defunct. After that, got into the car business, really. And then there was also several stints where I like host events at bars and stuff.
Well, you also had that, you showed me that clip, or someone showed us that clip of you being a news anchor.
Oh my God, I forgot about that.
That we end tonight's newscast.
Please take note of our contact details for your comments and suggestions.
Thanks for joining us this evening, and we hope you catch us again tomorrow night.
I'm Ariana Lim.
I'm Carlo Tirona.
I watch news.
That was a good 10 or 11 months that I did that.
And also another defunct channel as well. They're not around anymore.
So I think
the theme here is...
The theme here is that so long as I work in that particular...
It's gonna end up in the dump somehow.
Yeah. Dumpster fire.
What the hell is he doing? He's reminiscing.
He's reminiscing, guys.
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Wow.
Wow.
25 years ago. Where does the time go? Wow. Dude,
here for all of what?
Kano?
70? No wonder yuppies are always upset. They're broke all the time. Parking pa lang.
So, that thing that I booked for us,
That thing that you want me to book for us, that's where we're going right now. Prepare yourselves.
well, we figured that the perfect thing to do, like, we thought, what do young professionals do nowadays in their spare time? We can't run. We can't run for crap.
I know I can't run because my knees are probably shot.
If we go to the gym, it'll just be kind of boring. We'll just be sitting there grunting all the time, right? So we figured something a bit more entertaining
And neutral.
and
We've never done before.
we've never actually done this before. And we've also thought of the fact that 30% of our viewers, believe it or not,
Here we go.
are women. 30%, man. Did you know that?
But what does that have to do with the exercise that we're doing right now? It's not because it's predominantly
It
women.
is.
It is.
It is.
Don't NBA players do this particular?
Yes, but they're what percent of the population?
Yeah, right. So we're about to find out what it's all about.
We're in for a world of hurt.
Our journey today is brought to us by the Hyundai Venue. It's the most affordable crossover in the Hyundai lineup today, coming in at under 1 million Philippine pesos. It has a 1.6-liter gasoline engine with 121 horses and 150 Nm of torque, mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Just like every other modern Hyundai, it comes fully equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on an 8-inch touchscreen, keyless entry, and even drive modes.
Boys, this is Pilates.
What in the world?
Up and over.
Driving a Hyundai Venue?
Oh, maybe.
Flex and point. Lift the leg and stay here. Point the toes. Just gonna open your knees.
The what?
Up. Reach the arm.
Oh, you.
Inhale up. Exhale.
That looks easy enough.
So this is a spine massage.
I'm stuck.
Fight the hip. Fight the hip.
This is what I like to call age-appropriate content. Men of his age are now required to do this.
Oh, there's your thumbnail.
This is serious stuff.
And straighten that bar. Legs together. Up. Higher. Higher.
Higher. Come on, man. Higher.
Right. Curl. That's it. And then
Call my wife. Oh.
that's the principle.
Boys, I know I signed this up for this, but I didn't sign us up for this. Dude, this is some serious stuff.
We gonna learn today.
So you guys are already warmed up.
Warmed up?
We're just starting.
Yeah.
Gina, you know it's been great. It's we gotta go. Look at that. Yeah.
And again.
Double cheeseburger and fries.
Then.
I'm already shaking. Oh. I can feel the strain already on my left leg, but I think I'm still there. You don't really understand how it is that a couple of springs, a flat bed, and stirrups can give you such a workout that it will genuinely make you feel like you don't ever want to get out of bed again. That was harder than I thought. And you see it all the time on videos and whatnot, but when you're actually doing it, yeah, it's a bit harder than expected. You know what isn't harder than expected? The AutoDeal app. Just download it on iOS and Android. It is absolutely free, where you can get more information on the Hyundai Venue at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe, take care, and we'll see you next time.